Naghahanap ba kayo ng mga pasalubong mula sa Healing Island of Siquijor? Tara, pag-usapan natin yan. Maayong adlaw, this is J. Perpetual Kid at tara, let's explore Siquijor. I have found two souvenir shops in Poblacion, Siquijor, Siquijor. First is Mar and Peck Souvenirs located near Jollibee, Siquijor. They're open every day from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. Siquijor's former haunted image for witchcraft and sorcery are on full display here at Mar and Peck Souvenirs. Aside from that, souvenirs celebrating the natural beauty of the island are abundantly displayed here. Now let's check kung magkano ang mga ito. This is 250 pesos. Ito naman ay 300 pesos. Then this one is 590 pesos. The small ukulele is 200 pesos, while 300 pesos yung large. And the shocking 1,300 pesos witch figurine. Marami pa silang mga souvenir items dito. Check nyo na lang mismo ang Mar and Peck Souvenirs pag bumisita kayo sa isla. Next, ang Mystic Island Souvenir Shop na malapit sa bagong Traveler's Lounge and Ticketing Office sa Port of Siquijor. If mahilig kayo sa mga bags and hats made from indigenous materials, then marami kayong mapagpipilian dito. Marami din silang mga traditional lighting fixtures, perfect for resorts, cafes, restaurants, and your homes. Mystic Island Souvenir Shop is open every day from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. Again, this has been J. Perpetual Kid, and we explored two souvenir shops in the island. Mar and Peck Souvenirs near Jollibee, Siquijor, Mystic Island Souvenir Shop near Port of Siquijor. Hanggang sa susunod na biyahe, ayo-ayo!